Everyone, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? So today I am going to be making some homemade flan, and I'm going to take you guys along this ride and show you how you guys can make it at your home too. So just to make sure, this is going to be about a 12-hour process, I guess. It's going to be overnight, so this is going to take fairly super quick. Let me show you the materials that we are going to need for right now and what we're going to do with them, okay? So as you can see here, I am going to use a third of the cream cheese. You could buy any of your choice. Then I also have this sweetened condensed milk. We're going to use this as well. And I have some carnation evaporated low-fat milk. I have 5 eggs, a knife, and the blender we're going to use. And we're basically going to put everything in the blender. But like I said, only a third of the cream cheese. So I cut it the amount I'm going to use of the cream cheese, and I'm going to use 3 cups full of the Mexican vanilla blend. And I just want to say you could use any brand of products you want. You could use like a house brand, you could use like a main brand. It should work the same way as well, but just feel free to do any product you want. As you can see, we have everything inside the blender. I'm going to go ahead and climb it on here and put it for about a minute to mix and dissolve completely. As this is mixing, I'm walking to turn on my oven. I'm gonna put bake 350 F, for Fahrenheit. So we're gonna let this warm up because we're gonna bake it in here in a minute. So now we move to this part of the kitchen. So we are gonna dissolve the sugar to make caramel for the flan, obviously, guys. So I have my sugar here and my pan. Try to use, please, a non-stick pan. Sorry for the watermarks on that. And a wood or plastic spoon so you don't burn yourself. Please be careful when trying this at home. I don't want none of you guys to get injured. So as you could see, the sugar is dissolving already. So we need it to get like a nice little brown color, a caramelly color. So it's slowly but surely gonna get to that. And this is super easy to make. You can make this for a family member, for your mans, for your girlfriend, for anyone to always, get those little extra points here and there. See, it's getting brown, guys. As I'm waiting for my sugar to completely dissolve because thermodynamics, I'm gonna prepare my water bath. Let me just tell you, I don't have pretty pans because I usually don't bake this often, so I just use whatever my mom has that we use basically only for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So again, don't judge my pans, please, but it is super important you do a water bath because this is gonna prevent your flan from cracking. I have done this when I do my cheesecakes and they never crack, not even once, not even the first time I did it for the first time. So it's important to do a water bath for this. So you could see this is basically ready, it's ready to go in the pan. I'm just waiting for a couple little suckers who got into rocks to dissolve. And I also have my water pan here. I filled about 30% of this bin, okay? It's super important with room temperature water for it to be filled. It's a bit hard because I have my phone here, and I put another pan inside this pan, and I'm gonna put in the caramel, okay, guys? You can see the pan where the flan's gonna go. You see the beautiful sugar dissolve. It's kind of floating because it's not as heavy right now, but I'm gonna go and add the official flan sauce to this so we can put it in the oven now. Pour this now here. Oh, get it. You guys see? Cut it now. So I went to get my aluminum foil. I'm gonna put it over this tray so we can put it to bake now, okay? I have my oven. I put in the pan, as you could see. I'm gonna go and check. We're gonna leave it for an hour. The temperature is gonna remain at 350 constant, and it has to be for an hour. So I'm putting it there now. Perfect. So we're gonna leave it in for an hour, and then we're gonna take it out and then put it to cool, okay, guys? So pretty much that wraps off the process for right now. It's gonna be in there for an hour or 55 minutes now from what I see there. When I take it out, I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. That way it's not liquidy, it's not all like jello-y. It's gonna be firm and hot, obviously, so we gotta cool it down. We're gonna put it in the fridge for overnight. And if you have any questions on concerns on how to make this, please let me know and I'll gladly answer them. And I don't know, I might sell this on my cheesecakes and other stuff just because, you know, side hustle, but I'll keep you informed about that later. So stay tuned. So to end this video, guys, it's finally baked. I'm gonna show you the final product and then I'm gonna put it on the fridge for it to be there overnight. So you could see it's pretty steady, and I poked it a couple times just to make sure, and it's almost ready to eat. So tomorrow you will see how I am going to decorate it. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you guys had a good evening yesterday. So finally, the last part of the video, I'm gonna show you what this looks like now after I separate it from the pan. So as you can see, I already separated from the pan. I have the thing here standing so the caramel could come down, but this is the final product. So as you can see, super easy to make, guys.